Hello everyone, today I'm going over this wide body project that I have. We've been working on it for quite some time. We were able to mold in our flares into the car, so now we have a one-piece body kit. It's coming along pretty good. However, we've been having some issues, so whenever we spray paint cars, someone recommended for me to start using a sealer. I'm gonna be honest, I did not use a sealer before. I've always started from primer. However, we tried it in another project and it came out great. We decided to use it on this Mustang, and we sprayed a sealer. When we opened the container for the sealer, the paint did not look good. It looked like it was real thick, but at the same time, it was kind of like muddy. Some areas it was just really liquid, and some areas were really thick. So we tried to mix it in. I mean, that's what you should do whenever you have a product that is not mixed well. However, once we sprayed it, it started to create some kind of reaction in the body. So it completely set me back. It messed up my project yesterday. Whenever you're doing paint or custom paint, sometimes things don't go as expected, but I mean, on the end, we were able to spray it. It gave us this spider web effect, so we had to stop, let it dry, and we had a chance to go back and check for little blems here and there. So we're still working on it today. I believe that it's been over 24 hours, so I've been able to correct a couple little blems that I found. We're letting it dry out for a little bit, and we're waiting for paint. And we're gonna go ahead and spray it today. Hopefully everything will turn out great. But this is gonna be a long day, because we're gonna start by spraying 3 coats of silver, and after we do the silver, we're gonna go ahead and do our candy, and that's probably gonna be 4 coats of candy if everything goes well. After the candy, we're gonna do 3 coats of clear coat. So that's gonna be a long day. We had to do 15-20 minutes in between each coat. So I mean, right there, we're talking about quite a bit of coats of paint, clear coat, candy. Not on a specific order, but yeah, we're gonna be dealing with that today. Hopefully, it'll turn out great. I'm kind of anxious because candies are very delicate, very complicated. Seems like the weather today is gonna be perfect. Humidity is 40%. The temperature is 75 degrees, so we should be able to. Weather should not affect us. Everything's ready to go. And I believe what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using DV1 for the base coat. And I believe we're going to be using the same gun for the candy. I'm telling you guys that DV1, it's just a very good gun. We are do-it-yourselfers, but we try different guns, and I mean, this gun just sprays beautiful. If you're gonna be painting your car and you wanna try a gun, you should definitely try this one. This is the one that I'm talking about, DV1 with the digital gauge. This is just a really great gun to spray, and you know, over time we've been learning. We also using this WS400. This is the one that we use for the clear coat. These guns are not cheap, but the finish that we get from these guns is just amazing. So I've heard and watched videos where people talk about using regular guns, and they say there's more on the hand of the painter, you know, if he knows what he's doing. And I agreed to some point with that. However, we had many issues with other guns that we use, and I'm gonna tell you that once we use a higher end gun, I mean, the finish of the paint, it's completely different. And even though we are not pros and we don't have all the experience, it was a lot easier to spray with a better quality gun. And even though it's not an option for everyone, after spraying several cars and wasting material and having a hard time getting a car to look good, I decided to go ahead and buy the gun. And I'm very happy with the outcome, because even though I spent quite a bit of money on those guns, the finish that I'm getting now is a lot better. And basically, there was a couple times where I sprayed, I'm gonna say $2,500 worth of material, and then on the end it looked not great. Then I wasted all that money. If I had a better gun, it would have made my life easier. And basically, that's the way I see it. So once you're gonna be painting cars, you probably should try to get the best guns, the best equipment you can afford at the time. And you know, I tried several guns, but definitely using the higher quality guns has made a difference for me. And even though we don't have all that experience with higher end guns, it definitely was easier to spray. So just keep on mind that if you want to try to do a job, you definitely need to get the best equipment you can get at the time. And you know, good luck if you're gonna be painting the car. We're gonna try to get going with this project. We already cleaned our floor and we're pretty much just ready. I'm just waiting for my paint. We're gonna try to get it going. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. This channel, it's, you know, for do-it-yourselfers. This is not a channel for professionals. We're not trying to give advice to people that are professionals. You know, if there's someone who's doing stuff like us, where we're trying to do crazy paint jobs and, you know, just different looking cars. Most of the stuff we do is just like custom, and we are self-taught, so we're not really trying to compete or brag about what we do. We're just trying to show people that if you set your mind to do something, you can achieve it. It's not going to be easy, but you can definitely accomplish it. A lot of work, a lot of the jobs we've done is like we have to learn as we go along with the project. And I'm happy because this car started just by being a regular car. We added a body kit. We drove the car for a couple months. Then I changed my mind as far as the look of it. I decided to blend in my body kit. And as you can see here, I mean, right now it obviously needs paint, but as you can see, I mean, the car looks beautiful just being molded in. So now it's just one piece for the body kit. We're super excited. Once we spray it, I think the car's gonna look awesome. And so anyway, this is gonna be all for today. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, share, comment if possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys.